Hare Krishna to all of you. You are all welcome to Bhagavad Gita, 18 days Bhagavad Gita class. And today is the 12th chapter, 12th day. And this class is, you know that very well. This class is conducted by our ISKCON Mangaluru temple. And you all are once again welcome to the class. And today what we are learning that about Bhakti Yoga. And from today, means suppose today is the last day wherein we will complete the middle part, that is sixth chapter to 12th chapter. Only Krishna is showing the way. In this way you can come to me. If you follow this, you can come to me. If you do this, you can come to me. Like that, he was just giving the knowledge from 6th chapter to 12th chapter. Now today is the last chapter. From tomorrow entirely different topics will be discussed up to 18th chapter. That means 13th to 18th chapter is part C, A, B, C, D. Like if we divide Bhagavad Gita, we are completing today B part. Now from tomorrow it will be C part. Okay. Hare Krishna. Now, generally what today a little bit fast I will go, because I have to complete. There are so many slides today. Okay. Okay.
Shall I unmute everyone, Prabhuji?
No. Agraj, read the Guru Pranam mantra.
Om Ajnana-timirandasya Jnanam Janashalakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Excellent.
Next.
Then again, who will read Haspika? You know this. Just read Haspika.
Yes, Prabhuji. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prashtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine.
Excellent.
Prabhuji,
Okay.
Arya is telling she wants dance. Arya.
Please, what I told, don't interrupt the class. I will whenever I ask, then only you should unmute. Okay. The same will be recorded. That's what I am asking. Please. If you want to say anything, type in the chat.
Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirviseksha Shunyavadi Pashad Dishatarini.
Okay. This I will read. Or else Mokshit, unmute yourself and read.
Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Yes, Hare Bol. Excellent. Dakshita, read the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay. Arushi, unmute yourself and read the sloka. Sorry, the Maha Mantra, Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Read.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And Prabhuji, I am not the host and co-host.
Please, what I requested you, please, whatever I will ask you to do, the same thing you have to do. Now, please don't interrupt in between. If you are having any doubt after 8 o'clock, after our class, you just ask any doubt. And this is the first sloka of Bhakti Yoga. What Krishna is giving the knowledge in the Bhakti Yoga. Today we will discuss. Okay, Janvi, unmute yourself and read the sloka.
Okay, Prabhuji. Mayayeva manad adhasva adhasva mayi buddhin nirveshaya nirvasi siyasi mayeva ata urdhvam nas samshaya.
Excellent. Manasvi, once again you read.
Yes, Prabhuji. Mayyeva mana adhat मयि बुद्धिं निवेशय निवसिष्यसि मय्येव अत ऊर्ध्वन्न संशयः.
Very well, excellent. Dhanya, you read.
मय्येव मन अद्गत्स्व मय्ये बुद्धं निवेशय निवासिष्यासि मय्येव ता ऊर्ध्वं न संशयः. I still remember patram pushpam palam toyam.
Very well. Okay. After the class, I will ask those who remember the slokas. After the class, they can participate. Wait. We are starting the class. Please don't disturb in between. What is the meaning of this sloka? Yes, Akshara, unmute yourself, and those who got the chance, they lower their hand. Akshara, unmute yourself and read.
Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me. Thus, you will live in me always without a doubt.
Hari bol. What the Krishna is giving the knowledge here. You just see here how excellent knowledge is being shared by Krishna. What Krishna is saying, he is just directing us. Please follow this instruction. Just fix your mind upon me. Me means Krishna. Me means the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And what he is asking, and engage your intelligence in me. This is what Krishna is giving the message. And thus finally, suppose if we fix our mind and if we engage our intelligence on Krishna, then what will happen, Prabhuji? Means Krishna is giving the answer. Thus we will live in Krishna. This is what. Thus you will live in me means thus we can live in Krishna. This is what the message. Without any doubt, you should not doubt. If I will surrender Krishna, if I will think Krishna as a Supreme Personality of God, whether Krishna will accept me, or whether I will go to Vaikuntha or not, whether I will go to Krishna Loka or Goloka or not, no doubt. Krishna is saying, without doubt, this is my ticket. Just take this ticket and come to my Vaikuntha. This is what Krishna is saying. But what we have to do? We have to fix our mind, and by thinking Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God, then only the Krishna will accept us. And another important thing, we should engage our whatever we are doing, our devotional activities by our intelligence. You have to engage your intelligence also on Krishna only. Yes. This is what Krishna is giving the knowledge in this particular sloka. Okay. Hare Krishna. Now, and by this actually bhakti means see what several from 6th chapter what we are learning, just daily we are learning about bhakti. Anta kale cha mameva. That in that sloka also what happened, if suppose we are dying, we are thinking about dog, we will become dog. If we are thinking about birds, we will become bird. And if we are thinking about Krishna, we will go to Krishna. This is what we have learnt in the from 7th chapter to this 12th chapter. And what else, Prabhuji, we have learnt? Can someone remember? They can type in the chat also. Yesterday what I taught, or day before yesterday, or else if you remember, you can tell. Okay, Janvi, read.
Yes, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, we have learned that we are not a body, we are a soul.
Wait, from 7th chapter to 12th chapter, what the Krishna has given that we have discussed in the 2nd chapter. We are not the body, we are the soul. We are changing the body as we are changing the clothes. We have already discussed. Nainam Chindanti Shastrani means the soul cannot be destroyed. I am not asking. I am just asking about what I taught yesterday.
Yes, Prabhuji, I know it. We have learned a sloka, and and w- and we have learned Krishna will remain in everything, and and
Yes, we have
we
learned
have learned
yesterday and day before
second rule,
yesterday. I am
and
expecting. Wait. I
we
am
have
expecting.
learned the three modes of material nature, and we have learned the story, the hunter and the fox.
Okay, no, I am not asking about stories. I'm just asking about the what Krishna has conveyed the message in the Bhagavad Gita in the previous chapter from 6th, 7th to 12th. Yesterday and day before yesterday, what we have Krishna gave the message. He is the creator of spiritual world and material world. He is the cause of all causes. He is the supreme personality of God. He is
Yes.
yes, he is having the personal
Yeah.
form, and these are all what we have learned in the chapter. And finally, how we can attain the God. Yesterday we have discussed about devotional service. What is the devotional service? We have discussed
Yes,
chanting,
Prabhuji.
remembering the pastimes of Krishna, and what we have learned about the kirtan. These are all things. These are all the basics things. While reading Bhagavad Gita, as well as chanting, as well as doing kirtan. These are all the basics things. Like these are all devotional services are included. Okay. Now, even hearing also. Now, what you people are doing, you are hearing. Whatever I am teaching about Krishna, you are hearing. This is also one type of service. This we have discussed. Okay. Hare Krishna. Now, today we will discuss about 2, 3 very excellent pastimes of Krishna, in which Krishna is going to kill Aghasura, a big snake, and a Kalyanak story also, and also a fruit vendor, that lady story we will discuss. Okay. Now, Aghasura. Who is this Aghasura? We know that actually Kamsa is sending one by one what a demon to kill Krishna. Finally, he instructed what the snake demon, saying that go and kill that Krishna. I am very much this Krishna has created very much big problems for me. He is killing all the demons, those who are I'm sending. I'm just instructing you, go and kill the Krishna. Now, finally, what happened when Krishna was playing with the friends? He was just enjoying, means playing with the same friends, other friends. They saw that there is some big cave. Arey, they thought that how this cave is came here. Actually, it is not a cave. A snake, big snake, opened the mouth, and the mouth was looking like a big entrance of a cave. Everybody thought that okay, we will go and we will find what is there inside the cave. Now everybody started entering into the that mouth of the Aghasura. Aghasura is very big. It is just for example, I'm saying it is about means more than just I'm giving the example. You just think that 1 kilometer, like that, very big, very big, very big. Now they are surprised. All the friends of the Krishna are surprised, and they started going inside the big snake. Finally, Krishna is the supreme personality of God. He came to know that no, you people are doing what wrong. Don't go inside. Don't go. By the time he calls everyone to come back, all of his friends went inside the mouth of the Aghasura, which is like a big mountain, or which is like a big cave entrance. Okay. And then finally, what happened, because in order to protect the friends, Krishna also entered into that entrance, means the mouth of the Aghasura. He also entered, and because it was very big, Krishna is also actually was also so small. Even the friends are also so small compared to the mouth of what Aghasura. And finally, Krishna started increasing his size. His size was he started increasing the size, and finally uh, Krishna came out of that particular snake by tearing it into two parts. break that stomach of the just into two parts. Now finally Agasura died. This is what the real this is what the story of a big snake of which is snake demon known as Agasura. This is one of the pastime. Then because of the poison, and others are also means because they went inside the snake, everybody what got affected with the snake. Finally by the mercy of Krishna, everybody was able to get. Okay, this is what one of the pastime of Krishna. Now even the mother was also worried. Okay, my Krishna has went into the big snake. She, because she is the mother, she is having so much love and affection, care towards the Krishna. She was already worried about him. But we all know that Krishna is the supreme personality of God. Nothing will happen to Krishna. Nothing really happened to Krishna. Everybody now safely came out of after killing that Agasura. Now this is what even in the temple, Mayapur temple, this is how it will be decorated. This picture is of the temple. Whenever that sequence will become on one fine day, this will be decorated as if the snake is in two parts. Krishna has spoke. That means it is one of the one day decoration of Mayapur temple. Okay, Hare Krishna. Now we are going to another. We are going to learn about another Krishna's pastimes. What are the pastimes, Prabhuji? Means Akshara Prasad. Can someone unmute Akshara Prasad, or else I will unmute? Wait. Yes, Akshara Prasad, unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, read.
Mother Yashoda and Rohini Devi were very happy during the name giving ceremony of Krishna and Balaram.
Who was Garga Muni? Garga Muni
was very happy to name them.
Hari bol. Please, when you are reading, you are the whatever may be the seva, what you are reading, please switch on your video so that because I have not spotlighted myself, everybody face will be visible. Okay, then because Krishna has become means has came to the age wherein generally we will give the one name. What happened at that time? Krishna and Balram, they were both of them were brought to one Muni. Generally, one in our house also, it will be like a festival. Everybody will even the relatives, and we will call the relatives at the time of giving the name to ourselves also. Now the same thing happened. Yashoda as well as Rohini, Madhya, both of them, both the mothers are very happy because the name, for the first time, the name was being given to them. Previously, there was no name to Krishna and Balram, only Gargamuni. Gargamuni, after seeing the the birth chart, he gave the name as Krishna to Krishna and Balram and to Balram. Okay, finally we are moving ahead. One of the pastimes. Okay, who is next? Aarti, unmute yourself and switch on your video if possible and read.
Yes, Prabhuji. In the evening, Mother Yashoda and Rohini Devi eagerly wait for Krishna and Balram to return home.
Yes, we have also discussed yesterday this topic. Whenever the Krishna and Balram used to go to the, in the morning hour, they used to go along with the friends and along with the cows and calves. And at the time of evening, they used to return. And generally, how our parents will also wait for us when we are returning from the school. Like that, Yashoda Maya and Rohini Devi was also, Maya was also waiting for the Krishna and Balram for their return. Okay. Now, can somebody, okay, Janvi, unmute Asvika.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes, read.
Yes, Prabhuji. Mother Yashoda sings about Krishna and churns butter, while Krishna plays around her. Kana Gopal.
Okay. What happened? Mother Yashoda sings about Krishna and churns the butter while Krishna plays around her. This already we know that Krishna loves very much milk and milk products. Butter, especially, but butter Krishna loves very much. He was totally interested in eating butter. Even Yashoda is also knows the same fact, and she is also happy in giving what butter. Yes, we are just moving ahead. And now, can someone unmute Udjit? Hare Krishna, Udjit. Unmute yourself. Udjit.
Prabhuji,
Yes, can you read?
yes, Prabhuji. Krishna and Balram went to the marketplace with Mother Yashoda and Mother Rohini.
Haribol. So whenever they are going to the market, what the mothers are taking, what mothers are doing, because they are too small, they used to take along with them. Means our Krishna and Balram were taken to the marketplace along with the Mother Yashoda and Mother Rohini. Okay, Haribol. Now, can someone unmute Shreyansh Reddy? Janvi, unmute Shreyansh Reddy. Hare Krishna. Shreyansh, are you there? I have to unmute. Okay. Unmute yourself, Shreyansh Reddy.
Oh, Prabhuji,
Read now.
all cow herd, camels,
Damn
and
shoes of Vrindavan.
several
Serve.
servers, Krishna is
In innumerable ways. Yes.
innumerable.
Innumerable ways. Means everybody was happy. Okay, Krishna, what you want, Krishna? You want butter? I will give. Okay, Krishna, you want flower? I will give. Okay, Krishna, you want fruit? I will give. Like that, everybody in the Vrindavan, everybody was ready for seva. Now, even you people are also raising your hand. Why you are raising? Prabhuji, we are also ready for seva. Prabhuji, please make us as a co-host, Prabhuji, or please give me any seva like that. Why you are asking? Because you are also loving Krishna very much. So like that, even the Vrindavan Vasi, what gopis, everybody loves Krishna, and they are eagerly waiting to serve Krishna. This is what the meaning here. Okay. Now, still we are just going. Yes, Arushi, unmute yourself and read this. Arushi, unmute yourself and read.
Krishna plays many games in the forest along with Balrama and his cowhead friend with imitate
They
imitate
imitate various birds and animals. Yes, Haribol, excellent. And those who got the chance, just they lower their hand. What is the pastime? Very excellent pastime. Krishna, as we all know that Krishna plays very so many games. Yesterday also we discussed, and Krishna used to what imitate like a bird. If the bird is going, he also used to imitate like a bird. If there is a frog, we discussed yesterday, he also doing like a frog, and even other animals also he was just enjoying by imitating others. Okay, this is what the pastime of Krishna we should learn here. Okay, Ashrit, unmute yourself. Who is it? Please don't disturb.
Krishna and his friends take their cows to the forest for grazing.
Haribol, Haribol. So, what here it is mentioned? Krishna and his friends They take cows to the forest for why they are for why they generally cows what they will eat for they will eat grass for eating what means for grazing what we call actually he used to take the cows and calf on the morning and again in the evening Krishna used to bring and
Can I have a turn? It's Adya. So on a new turn.
you are Adya. Okay, Adya, read.
All mothers prepared delicious foods, stuffs for Krishna in while Vrindavan. Krishna is the apple of everyone's eyes.
Hari bol.
He is very
Please.
pleasing to accept the
Yes. He is very much pleased to accept their offerings. So what Krishna, what we are learning about this pastime, all the mothers, all mothers prepare delicious foods to for Krishna. Yes, Krishna, you are so beautiful. What you want, Krishna, we will offer you. This is what their intention actually. Only service. And finally, in Vrindavan, Krishna is a apple for everyone's eye. Generally, when we also love the apple because it is an excellent fruit, like apple, the Krishna is everyone is just like apple. The Krishna is given importance. Okay, now he is very pleased to accept their offerings. So Krishna used never used to say no to everybody. Yes, he used to accept. Because if he will say no, they will be hurted. Like that he used to accept their offerings. Even now also patram pushpam phalam toyam, what we have read Prabhuji in that sloka. Yes, Krishna, even if we also offer anything with love and devotion, Krishna will accept. This is what we have learned in the past also. He was also very much pleased to accept. Even now also this is what we have learned. Okay, and we are and just we are moving ahead. Okay, Archana, unmute yourself. I have unmuted you. Read the sloka. Read the.
The gopis churn butter while singing the glories of their beloved Krishna. Their eyes are like bumblebees, drinking the nectar of Krishna's beauty.
Hari bol. See the what how they are feeling. Just we have to enjoy the pastime. Whenever the Krishna, when they are seeing the Krishna, they are just forgetting themselves. They are just by seeing the Krishna's beauty, they are forgetting themselves. Just they are enjoying with the, they are playing with the Krishna. They used to dance with the Krishna. And Krishna was also used to do whatever they ask. Krishna, if somebody asks, okay, now you should dance. Yes, he used to dance. Now Krishna, you take this flute, and we want to hear the beautiful melody of the flute. Yes, Krishna used to. This is what the love. That is what even Krishna is expecting from us also. Whatever we are doing, we should also have the love and affection. Love towards love and devotion towards the Krishna. Only we are doing okay. It is just a photo. Whether Krishna is there or not, like that we should not think. We should think that definitely we are. It is in our puja room. Lord Krishna is there. Whenever we are offering, Krishna is eating. This is what your thinking should be. Okay. Hare Krishna. I'm just moving ahead. We all know that this is Mahamantra. Hare, just all unmute yourself and read the Mahamantra for 3 times. We will read and we will go to another pastime.
Yes,
Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Prabhuji, can I co-host?
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama.
Hari bol, to all of you. Excellent. Wait. Actually, one small what I want to convey one message on my behalf. On Sunday, I am not taking the class. On Sunday, there will I will whether if I will take the class, okay, not no nothing is there. But if suppose if I am not taking the class, Sunday there will be the class only. I will play one video of our Acharya. Acharya, who is our Acharya, founder Acharya? Can someone write in the chat?
A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada.
Hari bol, Hari bol. Yes.
Yes.
So I will play the video. It is about 45 minutes video. So what I am doing even on the Sunday and means 15th August. This is what the part of the 15th August class. Now itself I am just taking so that it will be not a problem on that day. Okay. You just we know that Prabhuji, we know this story, Prabhuji, about Kalia serpent. Yeah, I know everybody knows. Just we are whenever we are discussing the Krishna's
Yes.
pastimes. This is also one of the. If you are hearing, what if you are hearing? This is also one of the devotional service. Okay, now Hare Krishna. Now there was a one big Kalia Nag. Finally it was not means it was thinking where I should go and where I should make my home, like that it was thinking. Finally it came to what near Mathura and Vrindavan. There is one big river is flowing, that is Yamuna, and it started staying in the Yamuna along with the family. Now, generally, because okay, it is a six-headed snake. Okay, that is different. Wait. Kalia actually entered into Yamuna. It is sleeping, sleeping in the family. But the problem is because Nag was there in the Yamuna river, entire Yamuna river got polluted and it has become poisonous. Now, if anybody used to go, means any generally cows, other animals, they used to drink the water, they used to die. Now, this fact was came to the knowledge of Krishna because Krishna's friends and others were just going and means when they tried to drink the water, what happened? They are also falling. Means they fell on the ground unconsciously. This is what happened. Now, finally, what happened? It was one Leela of Krishna. Krishna, what he did, he was just playing with the friends. When some of them has thrown the ball intentionally, the Krishna has thrown the ball in the river, and in order to find the ball, Krishna himself, he jumped into the river. Now everybody got worried. All the friends also got worried. Uh, this immediately what happened? Sudama went to the parents, Yashoda and Nanda Baba, Mataji, our Krishna. He went into the what? He went to take the ball from out of the river and he jumped in order to get the ball. We were shouting that no, Krishna, you should not jump because the water are poisonous. But he did not listen. He jumped because and that if now suddenly after hearing this particular fact from the friend of the Krishna, even the parents got worried. Now the parents of the Krishna started running to that the place where this Kalia Nag is staying along with the family. Now, because Krishna, yesterday also what we discussed in the 11th, yesterday's chapter, Vishwarupa. Krishna has shown his Vishwarupa. Why? Because there are some people, those who don't remember, those who don't accept that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. They will say, no, no, Krishna is also like a human being. No, that is wrong. That is false. Krishna is a Supreme Personality of a God. That's why Krishna has shown his a universal form. Now, here is also one example. See, Krishna is so small, but the snake which is present in the that's Kalia snake. Just now someone has typed in the chat that Kalia snake is having 6 heads. Okay, leave about the heads, but it is very, very, very big snakes. Whether it is having 6 snakes heads or whether it is having 10 heads, whether it is having 15 heads, we are not bothered. What we are bothered, Krishna is so small. Important thing, suppose if we are there, we are just aged about 5 years or 6 years, can we kill a small snake? No, just by seeing the snake we will run into our house. We will have so much of fear by the snake. Now, because the Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God, he knows how to kill the demons, how to control what animals. He knows everything because he is the creator of what? He is the creator of entire living things and non-living things also. This is the knowledge what we got in the previous classes. Now, Krishna, when he went into the Kalia's jurisdiction or Kalia's area, what happened? Immediately, Kalia got up. Yes, now both started fighting. As we all know, Krishna just by bare hands, it somehow what bet Kalia here and there. Finally, Karya decided that no, you are Supreme Personality of God. I cannot do anything. Even my poison is not affecting you. This is how Kalia now got shock. Now, after what knowing the fact, see this in this picture also what Krishna is doing, just Krishna is kicking the Kalia Nag is also telling, yeah, no, no, I will kill beta. This is what the after this what fighting among two Krishna and as well as Kalia, finally Kalia surrendered. This is very, very, very important. When anybody who surrenders before Krishna, what Krishna will do? Krishna will accept. Krishna will forgive. Krishna will remove all his previous sin, previous mistake, whatever he has committed. Krishna is so, so, so merciful. If we surrender, Krishna, please accept us. We don't know we committed this big mistake. Okay, leave it. Once, yes, once if you surrender to Krishna, what he will do? He will hug us. Maybe just yes, come, I am waiting for you. Literally, Krishna is waiting for us in Vaikunta. When my child will come, when my child will return back. But we are in that condition. We are just daily in order to satisfy our senses, in order to means sense for sense gratification. The word is tough. In order to satisfy our senses, what we are doing, we are just enjoying. We are thinking that we are enjoying, but we are not enjoying in this earth. Ultimate goal is we have to surrender ourselves and we have to go to Krishna. This is our final destination. Now, here what happened? Serpent Kalia also surrender himself and finally he requested Krishna, please forgive me. Okay, Krishna forgave. Krishna forgave that Kalia, and here means and the second part now because they don't know that Krishna has already won that serpent what that Kalyanag already surrendered, but because the parents and other friends don't know that what is happening inside the water. See, because he is the Supreme Personality of a God, that's why Krishna, even though in the water also, without taking breath, without taking breath, generally we cannot stop our breath for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. He was fighting inside the water. for hours together. This is what this is how we can understand Krishna is very great. Now here the parents as well as the friends all are worried. Why this much time Krishna is taking? He went inside the water. He is not coming. Arey, what happened? Now what happened? This is what they are in little bit tension, and finally because of the tension, because of the worry, that Mother Yashoda also fainted, means she has become unconscious. My lovely Krishna has went into the river where the Kalyanag is staying. What will happen to my Krishna? This is what the worry of the mother. Okay. Now, just I am unmuting someone so that I can ask whether you are watching, whether you are hearing or not, or else yes, you are hearing from ISKCON, and from your removing whatever you are hearing from this ear. ISKCON से ISKCON तक निकाल दे रहे हैं. So whatever you are hearing from this ear, you are removing from this ear. Just to confirm whether you are also hearing. Just I am unmuting some of you. Okay, wait. Wait, whom I have to unmute? Akshit Singh, you are there. Yes, Akshit, unmute yourself. Just give me the answer of how did Krishna get into trouble with Kalia? How? You know the answer? What happened? If you don't, if you want to tell in Hindi also you can tell, but try to tell in English. Okay. What is the
Krishna,
answer of the first question?
Krishna throw the ball into the water and into the river.
Haribol. Yes, it was one of the Leela of the Krishna, and Krishna intentionally throws the ball in the water and he jumped into the river. Haribol. Excellent. Yes. Now, who is next? Samruddha Khair. Unmute yourself and give this answer. Second question's answer. Are you there, Khair? You have raised the hand now. Why you are not responding?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. What is the answer of the second question? How did Krishna came out of the coil of Kalia? Just by what he did when he entered into the water. He was whether he played with the Kalia.
No, Prabhuji.
What he did then? Excellent answers. I am getting in the chat. Excellent answer. All are giving perfect answers. But wait, Pragya Singh, you want to don't tell the answers to me. Tell okay. No. Actually, Manasvi, when the in chat anything will be sent, it can be seen by you yourself as well as myself also. So how he came out of the coil of Kalia? Just by kicking it, just by bare hand, just by he was hitting the Kalyana here and there. Finally, what happened? He was able to come out of that because the Kalia has surrendered. Yes. Yes, can some okay, I myself. Okay, Mokshit, you all, I know that you are very much perfect. And Shravani Mathad, unmute yourself and give me the answer of this. Why did a boy die after drinking Yamuna water? What is the reason? What is there in the Yamuna water so that they are dying?
Prabhuji, when the Kalias, the serpent had came, the poison had spread in the Yamuna river.
Haribol, entire Yamuna river there was a poison because of this Kalya Nag. Haribol, yes. Now this answer I did not came actually. I did not actually shared with you. How did they came back to life? This is a question even I should also discuss with you. Now, what happened finally? Krishna, Kalia Nag surrendered, and Krishna came out of the water, and he was enjoying. He was just dancing on that Kalia Nag, and finally, what happened? Krishna instructed Kalia. Oh Kalia, you should not once again. I should not see you in this Yamuna river. Now go from here. Go to some ocean. Go to Pacific Ocean or Indian Ocean. Like that, he directed. But you should not be here. Yeah, go to big ocean and don't stay here. Now, what happened? This Kalia Naga requested Krishna. Krishna, please, I want one blessings from you. What do you want? See, I am having so much of fear with Garuda. Whenever that Garuda will come, it will attack me, and I don't know whether I can fight with Garuda or not. Please protect me myself with Garuda. Now Krishna has given. Yes, Krishna has promised. Whenever when I dance, when because of my foot, which what footprints on your head, because of my footprints on your head, when Garuda sees your footprints, my footprints on your head, Garuda will not do anything. Don't worry about Garuda now. Now you can go to wherever you want to go, but don't stay in Yamuna. So finally, it left Yamuna. He went to some big ocean, and Krishna came back out from the water, Yamuna river, and just by touching the friends, those who are means those who became unconscious or who are about to die, they again came to consciousness. Why? Because Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. He can give the life also. Okay, Hari Bol. This is what the pastimes of Krishna and Kalyanag. Okay. That's why we always respect the lotus feet. Why, Prabhuji, in the previous batch, there was one Gurlin and I know, she has one doubt. Prabhuji, why you always tell lotus feet, lotus feet? Why we should not tell like some other jasmine feet or other feet? Why you compare with lotus? Very beautiful flower, and we always you should remember that we should pray God whenever you see any deity, not only in the ISKCON or any deity, just any deity of Krishna, just first see the lotus feet of Krishna. Please beg, we have to beg Krishna. Okay, Krishna, please give me place at your feet. I want to serve you. Please, Krishna. This is what our intention should be there. Okay. Now I am just moving ahead. Why did Krishna excuse Kalia? You all know this answer, but I will unmute. Wait, who did not got the chance? Kushagra Divedi. This name is new one. Yes. Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Why he left that Kalia? What is the reason? Without killing, why he left? If you know the answer, you can type in the chat also. Others. What happened? Tell me that. Yes, I am waiting for answer. Hari Bol. Kushagra Divedi. Is there any problem with the voice? Are you there or not? Okay, no issues. There is some problem with the network. I don't know. Who else? Archana, just now you got a chance. You have to lower your hand. Asvika. Okay, Pragya Singh, unmute yourself and read. Tell. What happened? Why he actually, Krishna left Kalia?
Because Kalia had surrendered on Krishna.
Hari Bol, very simple answer. Hari Bol, excellent. See, whenever we surrender, even if we surrender to Krishna, he will accept us. Likewise, Krishna has accepted. Yes, go. I am excusing you for your mistake. Yes, go, because you have surrendered me. Yes, go. This is what, and finally, what was the instructions to Kalia? You should not come back again in the Yamuna. You go to any big ocean, but you should not come back. This is my instruction. Yes, Hari Krishna. Now we will just, and after the instructions, the entire family of what Kalia and his wife, children, along with the family, he went to big ocean. This is one of the pastime, and Mother Yashoda was very, very happy to see the Krishna. Did not was not, nothing was happened to Krishna. He was happy, and even the mother was also happy. Okay, now today, as we all know, just I will unmute. Can someone share the story of fruit vendor and Krishna? Okay, who will share?
Can I?
Hmm. Who is it? Wait. We should give chance to those who are not Atrika, then again Arya. I will ask. Okay, no issues. Atrika, unmute yourself. Do you know the story
Yes,
of
Prabhuji.
fruit vendor and fruit seller?
Yes, Prabhuji.
In short, you say. Then again, I will also but try to.
Okay, Prabhuji. Once when the shopkeeper came to everyone's house, she even came to Nanda Baba's house. So what happened? She bought a basket full of fruits, and they didn't have any money that time, so they used to give grains and take fruits. So Nanda Baba, when he was inside, when Krishna saw the fruit vendor coming, he suddenly took one full hand of grains, and in his small hands there were just some grains. So he gave that, and the fruit and vendor liked Krishna a lot. So she happily gave all the baskets of fruits to Krishna, and then Krishna gave one basket full of gems and jewelries to Krishna, to that fruit seller in return.
Hari bol, excellent, huh? Excellent. At that time, there was a barter system, actually. Yes. Okay, Arya, you also know the story. You are also raising your physical hand. Yes, tell
Yes, Prabhuji.
in short. Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji. So once in Vrindavan, a fruit seller came and she wanted that someone could take her fruits. She went and shouted in every house, "Come and take fruits, come and take fruits." But nobody took her fruits, and the time was up. Nobody took her fruits. So she went to Krishna's house. Krishna saw that a fruit seller is sitting near a tree, so he quickly went to his house and got some grains. But as he was going, some grains fell down from his hand and dropped on the floor. So he gave that much grains to the fruit seller, and took all the fruits. The fruit seller was very happy that day. She had put the grains in her basket. As she returned home, she opened the basket in which she had kept grains. As she opened the basket, she saw that the basket was full with jewelries, and she was very happy and thanked Lord Krishna.
Hari bol, Hari bol. Excellent. Huh? You both have almost covered entire story. This is what actually Krishna, the moral of the story is very, very interesting moral. See, we should never ask Krishna. Krishna, that there is one song in that In Hindi also, Bangla de de, motor de de, gaadi de de. You should never ask Krishna, ye de de, wo de de. Means Krishna knows. Krishna very well knows what you want. Krishna will protect. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna himself told, I will protect what you are having and I will give what you require. This is what Krishna has promised. You should not doubt. You should not doubt on Krishna. Not whether Krishna will give. No. Even in the Sudama case also, Kruda Sudama gave this much of what offering from his home. In return, Sudama to in return a big king, but a big golden palace was given to constructed and it was given to Sudama. Here also the same thing, that after the seeing the beauty of the Krishna, that fruit vendor, she was mesmerized. Means just she forget herself. We just she thought that yeah, now Krishna is so beautiful, and the voice, how she was talking with the Krishna, she enjoyed. Now all the fruits she completely gave to Krishna, and after taking Krishna food, all the fruits, just with the small hand, he gave some few grains, as our Arya and Arushi told. Some there was no at that time there was no money. If you will give fruit, I will give 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees. There was no money. Barter system. That system was barter, exchanging. I am giving this, you have to give this. Now, even though that lady took only this much of few grains, but she did not felt disappointed. Why? Because she always thought that how beautiful Krishna is there. He was that and how beautifully Krishna was talking, and he was also sat on the lap of the that fruit vendor, and everything she was just remembering. When she went to home, suddenly she surprised to see that entire basket of fruit which was empty, now filled with what? Filled with gems, jewelries, costly, what gems. This is what the mercy of Krishna. We should never ask Krishna, Krishna मुझे ये दे दो, Krishna I want this, నాకు ఇది కావాలి, Krishna. No, we should never ask Krishna, I want this. Krishna definitely gives you. Just we have to wait. But what you have to do, simply you should not sit. Krishna is not going to give to those persons, those who are just lazy people. What is lazy? From tomorrow to 18th chapter, Tamoguna, Rajoguna, Satoguna, all this guna we will cover. What is lazy people? When they will get up, when they will sleep. These topics from tomorrow we will discuss. And so what we were discussing, what we have to do in order to Krishna, get the mercy of Krishna, devotional service. What is that? Chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, hearing about the Krishna's pastimes, and try to read Bhagavad Gita. This is very important. And also Bhagavatam also, but you are very small kids. Now Bhagavad Gita, it is sufficient. Okay. Hare Krishna to all of you. Here we will end our class. Once again, I am just unmuting all of you. All of you should synchronize, and we should sing Hare Krishna as a kirtan. Then it will be very beautiful. One is on the horse, one is sitting in the plane, one is sitting in the train. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Why? Everybody should synchronize 3 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Everybody should slowly synchronize with each other. I am unmuting all, and by the time I will type the what a key also. And if you are having doubt, you can ask any doubt. And today we will play one small video of Krishna. Okay, if you are interested to see, you can see.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Okay, I have sent
Prabhuji, I'm having a doubt.
Hari Bol to all of you. I have sent the key in the chat. Those who want to leave, they can leave. Or if there is someone of you can our co-host, any co-host, lower all the hands so that just lower the hands so that if those who are having doubt, we can ask them. Don't raise the hand first. Lower your hand. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. Or what
Yes,
you want me
Prabhuji.
to do to clarify your doubts, or we will see any video of Krishna. Any
Prabhuji, I'm having a doubt.
who is it?
Archana Prabhuji.
Hari Bol. What is Archana? Your doubt? What is
Prabhuji, Krishna said that Kaliya snake to go to a serpent to go to any